Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Die Antwort. You've already learned about the verb antworten. And in this video, you can learn about its noun version, die Antwort. You've learned how to answer, and now you learn how to give an answer. Die Antwort. Die Antwort. Die Antwort. Die Antwort. Die Antwort is a feminine noun, whose plural form is die Antworten. This noun means, similar to its verb version antworten, to answer or to reply. Let's see some examples of this noun in sentences. Ich habe noch keine Antwort auf meinen Brief erhalten. I have not received an answer to my letter yet. Die Professorin gab eine komplizierte Antwort. The professor gave a complicated answer. Wir haben vom Kunden noch keine Antwort auf unser Angebot erhalten. We have not yet received a response to our offer from the client. Schweigen ist auch eine Antwort. Silence is also a reply. Die Gesetze waren die Antwort auf die ökonomische Krise. These laws were a response to the economic crisis. Want to level up? Like its verb form, die Antwort also almost always comes with the preposition auf. So we have, for example, die Antwort auf die Frage. If you want to give an answer, we will say eine Antwort geben, to give an answer. And if you want to get an answer, we will use eine Antwort bekommen, to get an answer. Today we learned about the noun form of the verb antworten, die Antwort. It is a feminine noun with the plural form die Antworten. And similar to its verb form, die Antwort means answer or reply. And now check your knowledge with a little exercise or Übung. Antwort or antworten. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!